Okay, so to do a KFB or knitting into the front and back of a stitch, the first thing you're going to do is knit like a regular stitch. So you're going to go to the left of your loop, yarn over, pull that through. Do not pull the loop off of your left-hand needle yet though. Now we're going to do another knit stitch, but through the back loop. So you're going to bring it around with that same loop, going in through the back loop, and then you're going to yarn over again, pull through the back loop. Now you've just created 2 stitches off of this one stitch, and then you can slide it off. So it gives you a little bit of a bar on the new stitch, but it's not super noticeable. So again, we're going to knit through the front loop, pull that through, don't pull off your loop yet, knit through the back loop, yarn over, pull that through, and then slide it off. So you'll see every other stitch has that bar. So again, normal, front, back, and pull off. So that is knitting through the front and back loop. If you have any questions, leave them below. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.